Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your Roblox account is logged in and Brookhaven loads correctly. This avoids respawn delays. Once loaded, move to the hospital or police area where the penguin body event commonly appears. Make sure to check server population and time of day. More players can spawn events, but also increase competition. Position your camera to quickly scan hallways and beds so you can spot the penguin body immediately and act without wasting time. Once in the area, scan each room methodically. The penguin body is a small black and white model often near beds or corners. You should approach slowly because bumping NPCs or other players can make the event reset, so keep distance until you're ready. When you're close enough, use the interact key to examine the body. This triggers the in-game response and usually grants the penguin body accessory or unlock. If you miss it, back out and rescan adjacent rooms. After interacting, check your avatar inventory or the pickup prompt to confirm the penguin body was claimed. You may need to equip it manually. If the body disappears before you can interact, relog or switch to a low population server and repeat the earlier steps. This often resolves spawn conflicts. If interactions fail repeatedly despite correct steps, report the issue to Brookhaven developers as a bug. Keeping screenshots or a short clip helps them diagnose and increases your chance of recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.